Good morning. Morning from Afton, Minnesota, where it was 19 below this morning. Hey, I posted a couple of videos. I called them Day 1 and Day 2 Lessons Learned on the Shaper Origin. And somebody commented on my YouTube channel, that's great, but what are your overall thoughts on it? So I thought I would record this little video. I'm sorry it's taking so long. I've been traveling. So to that person, overall, I'm not overall, straight out, period, no doubt about it. Very pleased with this tool. Lessons learned is just that. It's a new tool like any other tool. You make mistakes, you learn the nuances of the tool. I made a major mistake on this. I think I've rebounded like in any woodworking project, and I think it'll be fine. But it's those little things, getting used to the tool, figuring out how it works. The tool is precise. That is the key thing. I had a gantry, an X-Carve to be honest, not to disparage that brand, but I built it. I never was able to get to the level of where I was getting accurate cuts. In addition, it took up a lot of space in my shop. I'm fortunate to have a shop at the back of my garage that is roughly 23 by 18, but I have two MFT tables, which, by the way, I love. I love having this big clamping space. I have a 4x4 off-feed table. I have a crappy table saw that I hope to replace someday. So this is a big setup right here just in itself. And having a 4x4 machine tucked in a corner just didn't really work that well. In addition, and more philosophically, I like to be part of the woodworking process. With a gantry CNC, you do the programming, you set it up, you bring your computer out, you plug it in, you push, cut or whatever it was, and you sit back and you watch. And I don't like that. I like to be part of it. And some people with CNC, when I explain what I got, they're like, well, isn't that cheating? And I look at it like, well, did somebody say that when we invented the table saw, right? When we moved from hand saws to table saws, or from hand planes to power planes. Of course, it's different, but, no, I don't think it's cheating. So not overall, period, again, I love this machine. It's precise, it's well made. The fit and finish of it is superb. The other thing to keep in mind is that this, all the capabilities of the computer part of a CNC, this is going to continue to get developed. So it's exciting. As they come out with new releases, it'll have more and more capabilities, and we'll benefit from that through a software update. The last thing I'll say is not about the tool, but about the company. And they are extremely engaged on their community forum. Sean in particular, who I believe is a QA engineer, is quick to respond. If you have a question, you're looking for advice in a project, not just on the product, but in a project, he's right there. And so is the CEO, Joe. So it's evident that they really have a passion for this. And it's just really nice to have, in a short period of time of the release of this product, a fairly vibrant community of people doing stuff. And it's pretty impressive what people are doing. Puts me to shame, to be honest with you, and I need to catch up with a lot of those people that are building some amazing things. But again, I think the company and the dedication to this product and people's satisfaction and success with it is very impressive. So for those that are on the fence, I know it's an expensive tool, don't get me wrong, but a lot of them are, right? A new table saw isn't cheap. This thing's fun. It's capable, the fit and finish, and the company and the future of this, as they continue to develop software, squarely puts it in a category that says, to me, happy with my purchase, look forward to having it for years. Actually, I look forward to see what else they do, because I have a feeling that there'll be other products, and these guys will continue to disrupt the woodworking industry. So that's my perspective.